Hi guys, so I want to show off one of my favorite resources. It's called Nearpod, and what it is basically it is an interactive PowerPoint that goes above and beyond what PowerPoints are. And I selected this resource because there is so much you could do with it, and it turns lessons from just stereotypical lectures into things that are a lot more engaging and just better for students. They can get more involved. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show off one of the lessons. So when you open a lesson, it'll pop up with a class code, and the kids can go to nearpod.com on their phones or on a Chromebook or anything with a browser, and they just pop in this code. Then they join the classroom, and you kind of guide them through the lesson. So this one is a VR field trip. In which it kind of shows off some of the things surrounding the Holocaust. So it starts off with a question in which students can post their thoughts, words, pictures, and then it'll populate with all the student answers here on the board. And then you can click some of those answers and share them with the class as well. Then as we get involved, you can present your information. You can have more slideshows. They can do research through it. But this one's really cool, and this is what I really love, is it has this virtual field trip that kids can click and drag and interact with, so they can kind of go and experience some of these things around the world that you might normally not have access to, especially with social studies. I think this is a phenomenal resource. So that's just a quick little overview of what it is kind of Nearpod can do. You can add things like quizzes into it. I mean, there's all sorts of stuff you can add to it. The purpose of this website, I think, is to just help give teachers a bridge to make technology more useful in the classroom. So you still got a lot of your traditional aspects of teaching, of using a PowerPoint, but it just kind of makes it that much better. This would be for teachers to use, and also I have started to have kids use it to build presentations, just because they can do a little bit more with those. There's two versions. It is free, but you can also, if you upgrade your account, you have access to a bunch of pre-made lessons that you kind of see here. It's got all sorts of stuff. It tends to be a little bit better for elementary school if you're going for the pre-made stuff than for high school, but there's a little bit of everything. I think that this fits very well with giving the teacher the control of technology in the classroom. And it goes along with the teacher using technology to create and adapt a personalized learning experience for their students. That's ICE standard 5A for teachers, and then also 5B. You're creating these authentic learning activities, this authentic learning environment. So one thing I want to show is, like, if you're going to create your own lesson, which is also an opportunity, you can upload your files down here. So if you have a PowerPoint already pre-made, you can upload it. So you can convert these pretty easily. But you can also go here and you add these slides. So if you just want an information slide, you add this. Or you can come here and add an activity, which has all sorts of different things. You can match pairs, open-ended question, kids can draw. I mean, you can do polls. It's just about everything you could want is there, and you can go back and see student responses as well. So it's a fantastic resource. I absolutely love it. I've used it often. I use it especially like if I have a sub or something like that. It's really helpful as well because you can give it a student-paced lesson, and kids can just kind of work through a lesson as if you're there helping them, but just without you there. It's a lot easier to facilitate. So that is Nearpod. Again, that is one of my favorite websites, and I hope that you guys can use this in your class sometime.